Hey folks, Bill here, GeoCaching 117 now for our cache at lunchtime. How about that? It's been a while. Yes, absolutely. I say that in a lot of my videos, but that's mostly because I just don't get to do this enough. But it's a beautiful spring day. Another little park that I did not know about in this area near where I work sometimes. So, as you can see, it's mostly sports fields, baseball primarily. So, yeah. Now the only thing is, this cache was hidden by a local Cub Scout pack. Love it. However, the last two cachers have DNF'd it, including one that had someone with them that has found it before. So I decided to try it anyway. What the heck? Who knows? Let's go see what we can do about it. And who knows? Might actually qualify me for the Geo Challenge of the month, which is finally back here in April 2023. And the challenge for this month, to do maintenance on a cache. Doesn't have to be your cache necessarily. It could be any cache that needs some maintenance, other than replacement. If you're going to replace a cache, make sure you contact the cache owner first and get permission, or at least try to. I mean, if the cache owner hasn't been active in a long time, then maybe you can adopt it. Anyway, let's see if I can find this thing. When they posted this cache originally, it had to be archived because climbing was required, but the difficulty was, or is, I guess, a 2. I think, I forget, but for a tree climb, I think it has to be a 3 or higher. Not sure, or if that's a 5. But so I don't need to climb this tree. At least I shouldn't need to. Still looking. Well, oh, I hit my nose on one of the branches. Yeah, I haven't seen it too. I was hoping maybe that this park is pretty clean. So if it'll, like I said, originally required climbing, so it didn't meet the difficulty rating. So they moved it so the climbing wouldn't be required, but I'm not seeing it. So if it fell and was underground, chances are it was picked up because it's pretty clean around here. So, you know, if it wasn't marked well, probably just gone as trash. So, let me check to see what else I can find around here on my lunch break on this beautiful spring day. And I was kind of hoping to resurrect it because today it was actually placed 1 year ago today. And that would have been awesome too. So, but let me see what else I can find. Guess what? I'm still at the park. Can you tell? But can you tell I am now in a different tree? Because I didn't. I took a second look around, readjusted my position, and guess what? I found it. Initially, it takes you to another tree, but if you let your position settle, you realize you're off by a little bit. So I'm going to see if I can get in there, though. I don't know if I can get in here to get it, but it's behind me. I'm back. Well, I'm back. You don't know. I'm back trying to find a way in, but I also had to go to the car because I realized, thankfully, before I got in here, I forgot a pen. And I wasn't even sure if I had one in the car. And I got plenty back in the office. A little hard to get in here. You didn't see this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I made it. Hang on. You're gonna love this. I can get in here. I didn't post a video about the last time I found one of these, but and this one's, check it out. I think it's metal actually. The other one I found was plastic, but these are cool little containers. I like them. Although, again, misclassified. This is not a small. This is a micro, but based on its size. So let's see what we got. So I grabbed some swag to put in there. I have one thing that might still fit in there though. So who knew the danger? One of the dangers of geocaching, poison ivy, would have been one of the things to help me find it. Because when I was looking at the other tree, I didn't see any signs of poison ivy whatsoever. No vines, no upcoming sprouts or anything. So, but here, let's see what we got on the inside. Now this one though has an O-ring. The other one I found last week didn't have one. One thing I forgot to bring, but luckily didn't need it for being a year old, is a log sheet. Plenty of room. So I don't know. I'll have to see if this counts. Because I mean, like I said, the last two cachers DNF'd this, but it's here and right where it's supposed to be. I think, based on past logs and once my GPS settled down. One-year anniversary of the cache. Oh yeah. All right, yeah, it's nice and dry. Indeed, indeed. I mean, it still flies high, just not as high as it was. So I'll let the CO know. I'll take a picture. Well, for Instagram, of course. And then I'll make sure I send it to the CO just so they know that it is here. It is safe. It is dry. And yeah, that's cool. Cache at lunchtime, baby. All right, well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, so you get notifications when I do upload videos. Don't be not as frequent as I would like, but hey, you do what you can do when you can do it. It gets me outside at least a little bit here and there. So anyway, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching, and happy caching.